Heartbreak is one of life's most challenging experiences, leaving us feeling lost, vulnerable, and uncertain about the future. For crossdressers, this emotional upheaval can be even more complex, intertwining with personal identity struggles and societal pressures. The pain of a broken heart may make you question your worth, your choices, and even your identity. But amid the sorrow and confusion, there lies an opportunity for profound growth and self-discovery. In this video, we'll explore practical steps and empowering strategies specifically tailored for crossdressers navigating the aftermath of heartbreak. From understanding and processing your emotions to rebuilding self-esteem and embracing your identity with renewed confidence, this guide aims to offer support, comfort, and actionable advice. Whether you're seeking to reconnect with your authentic self, find solace in new pursuits, or build healthier relationships in the future, you'll discover that the end of one chapter can be the beginning of another, richer and more fulfilling one. So, take a deep breath, and let's embark on this journey of healing and transformation together. The first step in dealing with heartbreak is understanding and acknowledging your emotions. Heartbreak often brings a mix of feelings, including sadness, anger, confusion, and even relief. As a crossdresser, you might also face additional challenges such as feeling misunderstood or rejected because of your identity. Here are some steps to help you process these emotions. Grieving is a natural response to loss. Allow yourself to feel the pain and acknowledge the end of the relationship. It's okay to cry, be angry, or feel lost. Suppressing these emotions can prolong the healing process. Give yourself permission to grieve and understand that it's a necessary step towards recovery. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family members who understand and accept your crossdressing. Talking to someone who listens without judgment can be incredibly therapeutic. If you don't have a support system, consider joining online communities or support groups for crossdressers. Connecting with others who share similar experiences can provide comfort and valuable insights. Be kind to yourself during this difficult time. Avoid self-blame or negative self-talk. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes and that healing takes time. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer to a close friend going through a similar situation. Heartbreak can take a toll on your self-esteem, especially if the relationship made you question your worth or identity. Rebuilding your self-esteem is crucial for moving forward and embracing your crossdressing journey with confidence. Take time to reflect on your strengths and achievements. Write down the qualities you admire about yourself, whether they're related to your personality, skills, or your journey as a crossdresser. Celebrate your uniqueness and remind yourself that you are valuable and worthy of love and respect. Self-care is essential for healing and rebuilding your self-esteem. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This could be anything from pampering yourself with a spa day, indulging in your favorite hobbies, or spending time in nature. Taking care of your physical and emotional well-being will help you feel more grounded and confident. Heartbreak can be an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Set new goals that align with your passions and aspirations. Whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing a new hobby, or advancing in your career, focusing on positive future-oriented activities can boost your self-esteem and give you a sense of purpose. Heartbreak can sometimes lead to questioning your identity and worth as a crossdresser. It's important to reaffirm your commitment to your true self and embrace your crossdressing journey with pride. Take time to reconnect with your crossdressing identity. Experiment with different styles, outfits, and makeup looks that make you feel confident and authentic. Rediscovering what makes you feel beautiful and empowered can reignite your passion for crossdressing and help you feel more in tune with yourself. One of the most challenging aspects of heartbreak is the fear of opening up to new relationships. However, building healthy relationships is essential for personal growth and emotional well-being. Take time to reflect on your past relationships and identify patterns or behaviors that may have contributed to the heartbreak. Understanding these patterns can help you make more informed choices in future relationships. Consider what qualities you value in a partner and what boundaries you need to establish to protect your emotional well-being. Open and honest communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. When you feel ready to start dating again, communicate your needs and expectations clearly. Let potential partners know about your crossdressing and what it means to you. Being upfront about your identity can help you build relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. After heartbreak, it's important to take things slow when entering new relationships. Give yourself time to heal and rebuild your confidence before fully committing to someone new. Take the time to get to know your potential partner and ensure that they respect and accept your cross-dressing identity. Heartbreak can be a catalyst for positive change and personal growth. Use this time to explore new opportunities and experiences that can enrich your life and help you grow as an individual and as a crossdresser. Traveling can be a great way to gain new perspectives and find inspiration. Consider visiting places that are known for their LGBTQ+ friendliness and cross-dressing communities. Exploring new cultures and meeting diverse people can provide a sense of adventure and broaden your horizons. Engaging in creative activities can be a powerful way to express your emotions and explore your identity. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or any other form of art, creative outlets can help you process your feelings and find joy in self-expression. Volunteering for LGBTQ+ organizations or causes you care about can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Giving back to the community and supporting others who may be going through similar struggles can be incredibly rewarding and help you feel more connected. Heartbreak is undoubtedly painful, but it can also be a powerful catalyst for growth and self-discovery. Embrace your journey as a crossdresser with resilience and pride. Remember that your identity is valid and deserving of love and respect. By taking steps to heal, rebuild your self-esteem, and explore new opportunities, you can emerge from heartbreak stronger and more confident than ever. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Each step you take towards healing and self-discovery is a victory. Whether it's a successful makeup look, a new outfit that makes you feel fabulous, or a meaningful connection with someone who understands you, acknowledge and celebrate these moments. Above all, stay true to yourself. Embrace your cross-dressing identity with pride and confidence. Remember that you are unique and valuable, and your journey is worth celebrating. Heartbreak may be a part of your story, but it does not define you. You have the strength and resilience to overcome challenges and create a fulfilling and authentic life. Heartbreak is a challenging experience, but it also presents an opportunity for growth, self-discovery, and renewal. As a crossdresser, navigating through heartbreak may come with additional complexities, but by understanding your emotions, rebuilding your self-esteem, embracing your identity, and exploring new opportunities, you can emerge stronger and more confident. Remember to be patient with yourself and allow yourself the time and space to heal. Seek support from friends, family, and the crossdressing community, and surround yourself with positivity. Celebrate your journey, embrace your uniqueness, and stay true to yourself. Heartbreak is not the end of your story. It's a chapter that can lead to new beginnings and a deeper understanding of yourself. With resilience, self-compassion, and a commitment to your well-being, you can overcome heartbreak and continue to thrive as a crossdresser. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.